Dad, I need money.
How much then?
I want 100 euros.
What do you need so much money for?
So I can buy myself new things.
That is out of the question. You're only 12 years old. If you want that much money, go to work.
Sarah doesn't have to go to work either.
But you're not Sarah. Get a job. Get a job.
We'll see. I'm going to get a job and earn a lot more than Dad. An employee is being sought here. I'm going to go in and apply. Hello, what would you like to order, please? Good morning. My name is Lisa Peters. I would like to apply to you. The boss is back there in the office. The boss is back there in the office. Just talk to him. Then you can apply directly. Thank you.
The burgers are in the back.
I don't want a burger. I would like to apply to you.
Okay, sit down please. Do you already have experience in a restaurant?
No, but I'm a quick learner.
How old are you anyway?
I'm 12.
Then you can't work for us. That would be child labor. You must be at least 16. You must be at least 16.
Oh so. I got that mixed up. I'm 16.
Okay, the hourly rate is 5 euros. Can you start tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Welcome to our kitchen, Lisa. Please get the dough ready for the desserts. Please get the dough ready for the desserts.
Am I doing this correctly?
Yes, very good. You can put the dough in the oven right away. I need to grab something from the cellar for a minute. I'll be right back. Lisa, what are you doing there? Why are you eating the cake?
I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. I haven't eaten anything all day.
The cake is for the customers, not for you.
I'm hungry, what should I do?
Eat something else, for example.
The cake is so delicious, I had to try it.
Get out of my kitchen.
Because it didn't work out in the kitchen, you're now working at the cash register. Here you enter what the customer orders. Then you give him the money back and the food. Did you understand everything? Yes, that sounds easy. Yes, that sounds easy. Okay, let's get started. Hello, what would you like to order?
I'll have a Big McGerman with extra cheese, please.
Okay, that's $5, please.
Okay, there's 20 here.
Thanks, here's your money.
But that's 50 euros.
Yes, 20 minus 5 is 50. Yes, 20 minus 5 is 50. Here is their burger.
Okay, thanks.
Next one, please. Hello. What would you like to eat?
I'll have a Big McGerman menu with extra fries.
Are you sure?
Yes, why?
Maybe you should eat a little less. Maybe you should eat a little less. Lisa, I don't think the cash register is for you. Please go and clean the restrooms. Okay. I've never cleaned a toilet before. Oh, it can't be that hard. I think I've found my job. Where should I put the rag? I'll flush it down the toilet. I'll flush it down the toilet. What could possibly go wrong?
Why do you tell our customers that they are fat? You should serve our customers, not scare them away.
I'm so sorry. I'm really doing my best. I'm really doing my best.
I'll give you another chance. But if something like that happens again tomorrow, then I'll have to fire you.
It won't happen again. I promise.
Good, then I'll see you again tomorrow at 8 o'clock.
It is already 10 a.m. I have to get to work.
You're 2 hours late.
I overslept. I overslept. That won't happen again. I promise.
You're fired, Lisa. Nobody needs an employee like you.
He's probably right. I'm not good for anything. I'm not good for anything.
Oh, you poor little thing. What happened to you anyway? You've got some money here. Maybe that'll make you feel better.
Wait a minute. People give me money just like that? Wait a minute. People give me money just like that? When they think I'm unwell. I've got an idea. Perfect. I look like I could use some help. People will definitely give me money. Excuse me, please.
Yes, what's up?
Do you have a euro for me?
You poor thing. Yes, of course. Here you have 2 euros.
Thank you so much. Hello, may I interrupt you for a minute? Hello, may I interrupt you for a minute?
Yes, of course.
Do you have any change for me?
Yes, I'll give you something.
Hi, Dad.
Lisa, where did you get the new stuff?
From the store.
But how did you buy them? But how did you buy them?
With my money. I have a job now.
Okay, where do you work?
I'm self-employed. I don't work for anyone but myself.
And what are you doing?
I convince people to give me money. I'm already tired, Dad. Today was a tough day. Today was a tough day. I'm going to sleep. I have to go back to work tomorrow. Let's go to work. Hopefully, I can increase yesterday's turnover today.
What are you up to, Lisa?
I'm going to work. I'm going to work.
You go to work like this?
Yes, that is the perfect outfit.
What exactly are you doing again?
I've already told you that. I'm self-employed.
Oh yes, that's right.
I've got to go now, Dad. I can't waste any time. Time is money. Time is money.
Something is wrong here.
Excuse me, do you have a minute? Yes, of course. What's going on? Do you have any change for me? But of course. How much do you need? Preferably everything. Preferably everything. Of course, anything you need. I hope you feel better again soon.
Lisa, what are you doing there?
Dad, how did you find me?
I've been following you. Did you just beg for money?
Yes, but the woman gave it to me voluntarily.
It's not okay, Lisa. You should look for a decent job. You should look for a decent job.
But I earn a lot more here.
Oh yes? What do you get?
50 euros per hour.
What do you get 50 euros per hour?
Yes, even 100 euros on good days.
I've got an idea. We'll do this for another week. I'll join in. But then it's over, understand? But then it's over, understand?
Okay, Dad.
Excuse me, do you have a euro?
Yes, of course.
How much do you already have, Lisa?
50 and you?
Yes, me too. Then we've had enough. Yes, me too. Then we've had enough. It was worth it. But now you have to find yourself a real job.
Okay, Dad.
How much money does Lisa get per hour in a restaurant? A. 5 euros. B. 10 euros. C. 15 euros. Write a comment.